Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly add a table of contents or TOC to your WordPress site in just a few minutes. Whether you want to improve your site's navigation or give your readers a better experience, this guide will make it super easy, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive right in. Logging in. First, let's log into your WordPress account. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click Login. For the fastest access, choose Continue with Google and make sure you select the Google account linked to your website. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start editing. Accessing the site editor next, find the Edit Site option in your Quick Links section. Click it and then choose the website you want to update from your dashboard. This will open your site editor where all the magic happens. Adding the table of contents. Now that you're in the editor, look at the top left corner and click the plus icon to add a new element. In the search bar, type TOC or Table of Contents. WordPress will show you the available TOC component. Inserting the TOC, click on the TOC component to insert it into your page. You can drag it to the perfect spot and check the preview to see exactly how it will look to your visitors. It's simple, visual, and gives your readers an easy way to navigate your content. Saving your changes, finally. Don't forget to click Save at the top right corner to publish your changes. And just like that, your table of contents is live and ready for your audience to use. And that's it. Adding a table of contents to your WordPress site is that quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast and simple WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.